Guys, welcome to Hypixel, yay! And apparently I'm a god at Bed Wars. 4v4. None of them touched the bed. I destroyed it twice. Touched the bed all over. Okay, let's go. Right. I want this one. This is good. This is good. Okay. I am the champion. Mainly, I use TNT and build and. I just geek on them. Okay, hello, Dinkleberry. He felt threatened. Okay. He was confused, Right. That was my mistake. I'm sorry. Don't judge me. Don't understand if you judge me. Okay. Okay, we're ready for this. I was just clicking random buttons on my keyboard and... Okay, I think that gives us... Leave us. Okay, I think you're my teammate. Are you my teammate? Are you my teammate? Okay, that's a yes. Where's Dinkleberry? Wait, he's Dinkleberry. Look at that face. Biggest pervert ever. Looks like he runs that one too. Okay. Okay, two more little cheeses. Yes, we have. Yeah, Pepe. Mavalasha. Okay. So, if you don't know how you win is destroy the opponent's beds and do the last man standing for all your team. So, we are... So I have no clue. I'm assuming we're blue. Then. Because I usually climb up, nerd pole up, drop a TNT down on their, when they protect their bed, and just rush down and destroy it, and try to kill as much as possible, and it works. See, I'm a genius at 1v1 Bed Wars. Because I can yeet on them. But you, wait, you were here last game. He's a stalker. Oh, it's crocodile. Crocodile. Hi. Dancing. Oh yay, full. I hope that crocodile guy in my team because he looks feisty. Oh, go, kitty cat. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, that's good. I wish I had my pina colada good on iPad transfer it to this one because I look fabulous. I need 8 pieces of gold and a lot. Okay, I've got 1 piece of gold. Oh, yeah, I can defeat all of them if you just get me the gold. Okay. You understand, Nibbers. The cat's on my team. Yes, wait, who else? Well, he could be enemies. Red. Wait, are we... is that brown? Red? Oh, no. Don't judge me, okay? Okay. Yes, two more. One more. Come on, don't let him get it. Come on. Do math. Come on. This is good math. Come on. Oh, yes. Sorry for I almost said. Yeah? Because slaying is not good. For some country it is pretty good. But this country it is very good. Oh. Shite. That's not a swear word. The same. Oh, you're genius. Oh, you're genius, you. Huzzah. Okay, that's gonna get them confused. Okay, well, thank you for this lovely passage. Okay, I wanna be safe here because I have TNT. A TNT costs a lot of gold. Oh! I almost died. That's not Lex Despacito. Okay, here's the enemy team. It's right over this. Oh, we already won. Did you? Okay, I'll just show you my team. I build up, but now you can't touch me like this. Oh, and he already did he do it? I went, yay, and I won. I did it every time. Okay, ready? Let's change to one then. Okay. Listen here, you nabbers. I'll get you the win if you give me 8 pieces of your gold. Yeah. Feel threatened. That's from an anime. But must be blue horns. Blue horns. Can you feel me? Actually, that looked very weird. Maybe not. Pigman wrestler. My hero. Gold. I need the gold. 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 No, I don't want you iron. Gold. Yes. Gold. 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 I love the gold, the taste, the scent, texture. Right. Come on. Give me the gold. Me need gold. Me need num-nums. Ha ha. Come on. More gold. 2 more. Come on, you can do it. You can let me get it. 1 more. 1 more, come on. 1 more. A little bit over. I just wasted a lot, but don't judge me. Oh wait. 4 more. Yeah, that's it. Right, give me that, boy. Eat you silly. Okay, you're pretty good at that. Okay, can somebody build over? Wait, I don't die because I have the secret weapon that I call TNT. Stand for tap on tap. Yeah. Genius. What's in this chest? Nothing. What's in that chest? Oh! What's that? Okay. Right. Okay, can you... gold is quite rare. Can somebody sacrifice themselves for the greater good of the bed? Thank you. I am the genius. I'll get you this Victory Royale, as some might call it. Or what I say, complete tosh. There. Genius. Right, oh. Wingardium Leviosa. Oh, that's my plan, okay. When he's distracted, this little laddie shall help me get across. I'm just gonna, distraction. You'll never know what's coming. Right. Okay, I'm gonna, let's fail then. Okay, build that wall. It's just gonna stop them getting across. And what happened? Oh! Sorry. That just happens when I feel a bit threatened. I'm sorry. Haha! Right, I don't know where that happened. I'm just gonna... That's close enough. Some people are a bit nifty with their speed. I'm just gonna quickly... Oh! Perfect height! Oh. Is that good? Assuming that noise is not good. Oh, somebody got killed, that's right. Hunger Games goes top of the screen. Whatever his name is. I need to get started on my editing. Like make music halfway through game. Most of the new music, that would be nice. Lots of stuff I need to do. Oh. I should have got a bit more. I should have been funny. Okay, watch this. Shabam! I placed it. Okay, wait. So it pushed me back. You can clearly see on the game. It pushed me back. It pushed me. My ideas are genius. Just that you can clearly see that something was wrong there. I'm not saying that because every Fortnite gamer says that, but it's not Fortnite. This is Minecraft. Okay, come on. My plan is genius. Come on, let me activate my genius. Come on. Do math. Come on. Do math. Come on. See that? I am quickly on my keyboard. I am very fast. Oh yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Attack that? Shite. Get a bit extra. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna put this iron in there. Oh, this is genius. Okay. Right. They might be coming over. And that is not good. Okay. Oh, they don't think poo. They don't think a flying turd. Yes, I understand. Okay, this won't take long, guys. I am the genius. I am the genius. How does that work? Yeah, go away. Oh, poo. My genius has been slightly fooled. So they had something that pretty hurts. It didn't kill me though, that's the main thing. Come on. Yes. See, this is why you get it out of stack. Oh, look at this. Look at this absolute genius. Oh. Boom, boy. Oh, poo. Oh, no, I have to fight these dudes. I have to fight these two. No! Well, my genius has been fooled again. My genius. My genius! Oh! I get second time. Oh. Genius. I shall win this. I shall. I have 2 minutes on the screen record till it goes. That I know, guys. I'm sorry. That's just a limit of how long I can record. Okay, don't judge me. But I will get this. I will. My name's not Dinkleberry. Dinkleberry will win. I don't know. I don't know what's about to happen. Whoa! You're all over the place, mate. I am a genius! Huzzah! Okay. See? We won. They have no spawns left, and we have won. I'll see you all later. Bye! Oh, poo.